Hey there, my name is Jessica and I'm a senior instructional designer at LandingAI. In this video, I'll show you how to create an inspection point in LandingEdge and run inference on images added to a folder. In LandingLens, I've trained my model to detect license plates on cars. Now I want to use LandingEdge to run inference on my model. To do this, I need to create an inspection point. I'll give it a descriptive name that will help me remember what this inspection point is for. Now that I've created an inspection point, I'll add settings that will tell it how and when to run inference. First, I'm going to set the image source, which tells LandingEdge where to get images from for inference. I want to run inference on images I add to a folder, so I'll select Folder Watcher. Then I'll select and choose the folder that LandingEdge will pull images from. It's important to note that LandingEdge will not run inference on images already added to this folder. The inspection start setting determines what will trigger LandingEdge to run inference. For Folder Watcher, the only available option is Self, which means that adding an image to the selected folder triggers LandingEdge to run inference on that image. To connect the inspection point to my organization in LandingLens, I need to add my API credentials. I already generated my API key from LandingLens, so I'll paste it here. Then I'll click Connect and select my project that has the trained model that I want to connect. Next, I'll connect to the model by choosing Download from LandingLens and clicking Select to load my model. LandingEdge automatically loads the model. The communication setting allows me to connect my inspection point to a programmable logic controller, a PLC for short. Since I don't want to do this, I will skip this setting. I want to save all images captured from LandingEdge so that I can save images back to LandingLens. So I'll choose the image format, keep the default folder images will be saved to, and select this Upload Results to LandingLens checkbox. If I select this setting here, my inspection point will run each time my Windows computer starts. Since I'd rather manually start my inspection point, I'll skip it. Lastly, the custom processing settings allow me to customize and apply automations using C# and Python scripts. Since I don't have any scripts, I'll skip this as well. Okay, I'm ready to save and run my inspection point. Now I can start dragging and dropping images into my Watcher folder. In LandingEdge, I can see the real-time processing of images and live predictions made by the model. I can continue to run inference on more images, or open my project in LandingLens to retrain a new model with these images. Check out the LandingAI Support Center and community for more information.